So in this video we're going to look at probability and the idea of sample space. So I've got two spinners, spinner A and spinner B, which are identical. Each of them are numbered 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the numbers 1, 2 and 3 and 4 have an equal chance of coming up. So I spin both spinners and I want to write down all the possible scores I can get when the number on A is added to the number on B. So I'll do this in a little table form, and I'm going to write the numbers that I can get on spinner B on the top, and the numbers I can get on spinner A on the side. And then I'm going to put the plus sign at the top left to indicate what I'm doing. And now I can write in all the possibilities, and this is what sample space is. It's when you list all the possible outcomes from an event that you're undertaking. So our event is to spin two spinners, add the scores together. So we could get 2 from a 1 and 1, or we could get 3 from a 1 and 2, 4 from a 1 and 3, or 5 from a 1 and 4. And I'll fill the table out completely now. So you'll now see that I've listed all the possibilities. And if you're asked to do something like this in a question, then just check that the numbers go up as you'd expect them to. So if I'm increasing by 1, and I'm adding to 1, it's going to go up in 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're now ready to answer probability questions. We can help get the answer using this table. So suppose I asked you to find the probability that our score, and we'll call our score x, that our score is equal to 5. Well, we can look at the number of possibilities we've got altogether, and if we were to count them, we'd see that we'd have 16 possibilities. So our answer is going to be out of 16. We may be able to cancel the fraction down, but we'll start with 16. So now we need to look at, out of all 16 possibilities, how many were 5? And you'll see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 possibilities that are 5. So the probability that x is equal to 5 is 4 from 16. And of course that can be cancelled down to 1/4. Now you might be asked another question. You might be asked, what's the probability that x is greater than 6? Greater than 6. So again, the answer is going to be out of 16 to start with, and we look to see how many possibilities are there that are greater than 6. So numbers that are greater than 6 are 7, 7 again, and 8. So there were 3 possibilities from 16 in total. So the probability that we get a score that's greater than 6 is 3 out of 16, and we can't cancel down any further. Finally, what's the probability that x is a square number? X is a square number. So we'll look at that next. Well, the square numbers that we have in our table are 4. In fact, 4 is the only square number that we have. No other number in the table is square. So in fact, the probability that x equals square is also going to be 3 from 16. So that's a video showing you how to use sample space to answer questions in probability.